Hey everybody, Green Dean here with Diane and Dean DIY, and I've got a confession to make. I have an obsession, but it's a good obsession. It's my new obsession, and it's all about planters. Here is the latest one. I'm really into these architectural Corten steel planters. So I ordered this online, and it came yesterday, and all I'm going to do is take my handy dandy box knife, crack this baby open, take a look and see what they are. Now there's a lot of different planters out there. There's obviously ceramic planters, there's metal planters, there's clay, there's terracotta. There's a lot of different options as far as planters are concerned. But I really love these Corten steel planters because they're very architectural and they're a very good way to put architectural style or sculptural style plants into a planter and incorporate that into your landscape. So see what we got. Come on, baby. So, this is Corten steel. Now what Corten steel does is it naturally rusts, and that becomes its own protective skin and also provides a patina for the planter itself. So this will patina out to a beautiful reddish orange color over time as it gets wet. So in using Corten planters, what you really want to be conscious of is where you put it, because it will leak orange color or that patina over a sidewalk or somewhere on your patio. So basically all I wanted to do was set it right here in the corner, take up this kind of awkward space that I used to have a step here leading down the pathway. I love it.